Lions are big cats with fluffy manes. They live in groups called prides. Lions roar loudly and love to nap in the sun. Elephants. Elephants are huge animals with long trunks. They use their trunks to eat, drink and play. Elephants live in families and care for each other. Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. They are strong and quiet when they walk. Tigers like to be alone. Giraffes. Giraffes are very tall with long necks. They eat leaves from tall trees. Giraffes have spots all over their bodies. Dolphin. Dolphins live in the ocean. They are smart and playful. Dolphins talk by making clicking sounds. Monkey. Monkeys are playful and love to swing in trees. They eat fruit and bugs. Monkeys live in big families. Panda. Pandas are black and white bears. They love to eat bamboo. Pandas are gentle and like to sleep a lot. Turtles. Turtles have hard shells on their backs. They walk slowly and some swim in the sea. Turtles live a long time. Bear. Bears are big and furry. They eat berries, fish and honey. Bears sleep a lot in winter. Snake. Snakes have long, twisty bodies. They don't have legs. Some snakes make a hissing sound. Frog. Frogs are green and jump high. They live near water. Frogs say ribbit, ribbit. Crocodile. Crocodiles have big teeth and live in water. They stay very still to hide. They snap their jaws quickly. Camel. Camels live in the desert. They have humps on their backs. Camels can walk far without water. Penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly. They waddle on land and swim in cold water. Penguins take care of their chicks. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Each zebra has its own stripe pattern. They live in groups and run fast. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus are big and live in water. They open their mouths wide. Hippos like to splash and stay cool. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros have thick skin and 1 or 2 horns. They eat grass. Rhinos are very strong. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love you bunches, and we'll see you next time.